So what do you do with all that leftover beautiful sage? You put it, the leaves only. Just put the leaves into a small grinder like so. Put butter in there. That's about a third of a stick. And I'm just squirting a little bit of olive oil in there with it. And turn this on. Otherwise, what are you gonna do with the sage? Try to find 100 recipes so you can use it up. And now you just take a look at it, and if it's not pasty looking enough, which it isn't, add some more butter. So I would say this is going to be about a half a stick of butter. And then we just close it up and do it a little bit more after we push down on what's stuck to there. I mean, you know, I do the same thing like fresh oregano. I made oregano oil. That is looking pretty good. It's like pasty, which is good, but I'm going to run it some more so it's a little bit more fine. And then anytime you need sage, that's enough. Anytime you need sage, just go into the freezer, take out this sage, and add it to your recipe. And this will stay in the freezer forever. Don't take my word for it. But let me put it in this container, look at it, and then we're done. Okay, so this is how much we have in that little container. But you can't just put the lid on it and put it in the freezer. You want to take saran wrap clear film and place it nice on top of that paste to prevent what happens to everything you put in the freezer, that ice forms on it. This way, you're all set. Mark what it is, because you're never going to know when you start digging in the freezer, where's my sage? And there you go. Saves you a lot of money, and it's on hand whenever you want it.